I've really been inspired by the Snap Lens Lab because it taught me how AR can change future industries.
The Snap Lens Lab at Otis College of Art and Design is completely free for high school students coming from underserved communities across Los Angeles County. Over the course of the 3 weeks, you have the opportunity to connect with incredible Snap team members who serve as mentors, provide feedback and critique on your work, as well as guidance in regards to what it is that you might want to do as you journey out of high school and into college and career.
As a faculty member for the Snap Lens program, what we try to do is take the young students' concepts and their technical skills so that they start to build their confidence and they take on bigger and better projects, become more confident artists, and their creativity explodes.
I wanted to initially do something art related, however I wasn't really sure, so it's very eye-opening just to experience the Snap Lens program.
Snap Lens has been a wonderful experience for me because I got to learn how to use 3D modeling, Photoshop, and even graphic design. These skills will be very important to me moving forward.
Snap Lens Lab is really fun, and I hope whoever comes after me also enjoys it too.
With all the networking here, I feel like I'm able to access new resources that I wouldn't be able to in different areas.
An education at Otis is more important now than ever to create well-trained designers and artists for the future creative economy.